Welcome to the VHF UHF channel, and of course, yesterday we had a live show, and while we were doing the live show and talking about different things, it came to mind that I should be playing a little more with the RTL SDR V3, and especially with SDR Sharp and playing around with all the plugins available. So I think this is going to be interesting to do a series of videos. A lot of you have been asking, instead of buying scanners or talking about, instead of buying, a scanner radio today, why don't we just use some, dongles like the RTL SDR V3? On shortwave, I don't like it that much because it's okay, but it has tons of spurious signals everywhere. But I gotta say, on the VHF UHF range, I've been able to have decent reception, including on the satellites that I would receive on it and so on. So we're going to test this, and we're going to play around with SDR Sharp and especially the plugins. And I think a lot of you will probably be interested in seeing the different plugins in action in SDR Sharp and learn more. I think a lot of you want to learn about this also, especially because it's a very inexpensive way of getting into a more advanced VHF UHF listening if you want, because you can actually use and even listen to some digital stuff and trunking and so on using all the plugins that are available. And this is kind of cool because it's, instead of spending $500, $600, $700 on some fancy scanner radio, maybe we could actually do an interesting part of all of this using the different plugins available here. So I'll be doing some videos this week, of course, of VHF UHF monitoring and experiments that I'll be doing also, and I'll be plugging my mobile vertical VHF UHF antenna to the RTL SDR to be able to play around and tune around with it. And so hope that you enjoy those videos. A lot of you have been asking me also to explain SDR Sharp a little more, so I think that's going to be at the same time as I play with it. It'll be interesting to also mention some of the things that you could do on the SDR Sharp software and the settings and all of that. As it, these are complex pieces of software, and it's not always easy to get the grasp of everything. So hope that the videos will help at the same time in everybody's understanding of the software. So we'll try to post as many videos as possible this week. We'll be hopefully and surely posting a lot of videos also of the little telescopic antennas that I did show in the live shows yesterday, VHF UHF live show. And don't forget, the first Sunday of every month is a VHF UHF live show. I hope that you enjoy our broadcast. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.